I'm working on it.
I'm working on it, Mom.
I'm working on it.
Oh, he's working on it.
But I got a whole speech here. I've been working on it.
You're pregnant?
No, not yet, but I'm working on it.
Hi, excuse me, it's like 90 degrees in here.
Yeah, working on it, man, working on it.
What do we eat?
I'm working on it.
Why in the hell is it eating up all the satellites?
We're working on it, Mr. President.
How the hell are we gonna get out of here?
I'm working on it. I'm working on it.
Well, whatever you're doing, do it faster!
I need a doctor here right now.
I'm working on it.
You're not doctor.
No, I'm a nurse.
How soon until we get in?
Engineer's working on it now. Usually we get these things going pretty quick.
Just some property owners won't get approval, but I'm working on it.
Yeah, well, you just ran out of time.
What's your code, Brian?
I'm working on it.
That's still in you.
I'm working on it.
Working on what?
Leonard! Is the ramp elevated?
We're working on it.
Strictly just like basement business.
What does that mean?
It means I'm working on it.
When are you gonna tell her?
Believe me, I'm working on it. I am working on it.
How?
I'm still working on it.
I guess I better work on it too then.
Walter!
What?
You still working on that antidote, right?
Working on it? In a couple minutes, it's done.
You could always retire. I'm working on it.
Hey, you guys, did you find that thing?
We're working on it.
Whoop,
There it is.
whoop. There it is. Whoop.
There it is.
Yeah,
Any ideas?
I'm working on it.
Keep me posted.
Yeah.
The truth is, I'm still working on it.